Hello guys, welcome back on AudioTribe YouTube channel. In this video we will make an unboxing and I will give you my first impressions about the new JBL Xtreme 5. So first let's see what we have in the box. Nothing else in the box. This is the new JBL Xtreme 5, but let's see what we have in the other box. Probably a strap. Okay. So we have the stripe, we have the manuals that no one reads, and that's about it. So let's take a closer look at this new JBL Xtreme 5. So this is the strap, it says JBL Xtreme 5, this is full metal, you can open a button with this, and probably it is very easy to connect to the speakers, you see. Okay, but I am very interested about the speaker. So we see here that it has the new logo. On the top it has the buttons, the plus and minus volume buttons, the play and pause, the turning on and off, the Bluetooth and the AuraCast. We see here that it has some LEDs on the top and on the bottom. Unfortunately I don't see lights on the passive radiators, and on the back we see that it has only the charging port. I would love if it had an aux in, but it doesn't have, and here is the battery that you can remove. Of course you have 24 hours of playing time, or you can up the battery with another 4 by using the play boost feature in the app. And now let's turn this on. It has the same sound and it automatically goes to pairing mode. This is the first time that I am pairing this speaker with the phone. Let's turn on the Bluetooth. And here we have the JBL Xtreme 5. Okay, and now let's go to the JBL. Okay, save. Let's go to the JBL Portable. This is the app that you can connect with the speaker. It doesn't find the speaker Xtreme. Okay, it doesn't have the speaker because it has only the Xtreme, the Xtreme 2, the Xtreme 3 or the Xtreme 4. So that's about it. So basically we don't have yet the JBL app working with the JBL Xtreme 5 because it is not released. JBL Xtreme 5. Okay, let's turn this on to see how it will sound.
I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. Play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you are behind the fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me.
It really sounds very good. And now let's do a 40 Hz flat. That is amazing. So we made the sound test, we made the 40 Hz flat bass test, and now let me talk to you about the feature of these speakers. It has one woofer and two tweeters that give us 130 watts of power when it is connected to the power source, and only 90 watts of power when it is connected only with the battery. Of course, it has the IP68 rating, that means it is waterproof and rust-proof. It has an internal battery that lasts up to 24 hours of playing time, and you can prolong the battery span with the playtime boost. That will prolong the playtime with another 4 hours, but it will turn down the bass and the lights. At the time of this video, we don't find the JBL Xtreme 5 in the JBL Portable app, but probably when it will be launched globally, it will be there. Of course, it has the Aura Keys multi-connection buttons. That means you can connect with other speakers and play song on them simultaneously. And as you see, I have two of them, and I will make a sound test with two at the same time in the couple of days. And now let's talk about the drivers. We have here a racetrack woofer that is 98 millimeters by 145 millimeters and dual 20 millimeters tweeters. That means the bass that will come from this speaker, it will be much better than the bass that comes from the JBL Xtreme 4. Of course, it has these two passive radiators that I really love how it looks, but unfortunately I would love if JBL will put some lights on it. I like that the JBL added a LED tip on the bottom part and on the top part, but I like speakers that have much more LEDs. Of course, you can turn them off if you don't like them, but it is a good addition that it has them. And now let's talk about the sound of this JBL Xtreme 5. I really love that at full volume it doesn't distort. It sounds very good. You can definitely feel the bass, that it is really high, and at 40, and we made the 40 Hz flat, and the bass, you can definitely feel it in the room. Of course, it will not shake the walls, but you can definitely feel, and compared to the older speakers, you can feel it. You can really feel it. So yes, I really love the design. I really love that it added the LED strip. I would love if we have lights here. I don't know, it is a big improvement from the old JBL Xtreme 4. Of course, this speaker, it is a little bit more expensive. It costs around $399 at this moment, but probably in a couple of months the price will go down at around 330, 350, and at 330 I think this will be a very good buy. Yes, for me, this is a thumbs up for JBL. It improved everything on it, and I really like to see the JBL Xtreme 5 in the JBL Portable app, because I want to see the equalizer, I want to see the function, I want to see everything that this speaker can give us. So till then, what do you think about the new JBL Xtreme 5? Will you buy it? In my opinion, yes, this is a very cool looking speaker. Thumbs up for JBL. So what do you think? Feel free to subscribe to AudioTribe YouTube channel, and please hit that like button. Cheers.